Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly create a realistic tennis ball in Blender. Let's start by adding a UV sphere. You can shade smooth the sphere right away or leave it until the end. Next, switch to edit mode and enable wireframe view so that you can easily select half of the sphere's vertices. Once selected, press P and choose selection to separate them into a new object. Now back in object mode, you'll have two separate halves that can be selected individually. Select one of the halves and rotate it along the y-axis. Select both halves and press M, then choose by distance to merge the vertices together. Now hold Alt and click on an edge to select the entire edge loop running around the ball. Press Command B to bevel the loop. With the newly created faces selected, press E to extrude them and then S to scale them inwards slightly. Next, select the top and bottom edges of the seam and bevel them just a little to soften the shape. Now select the center seam line and press Command and plus key on the numpad twice to grow the selection to the faces on both the sides. Go to the Materials tab to create a new material and click Assign. To select the remaining faces, invert the selection by pressing Ctrl-I. Create a second material, choose your desired color and click Assign. Finally, move the colored material to the top of the material list so that it becomes the active material. Now let's create the fuzzy surface of the tennis ball. Go to the Object Data Properties and create a new vertex group. Click Assign while the main surface area is selected. Add a hair particle system and enable advanced settings. Set the hair length to 0.01. Set a small Brownian value as it adds random movement to the hair. Next, open the Children's section, choose Interpolated and increase both the display amount and render amount to 300. This creates many additional hair between the parent hair. Under the Density section, select the vertex group we created earlier so that the fuzz only appears on the desired area. Then return back to the Children's section and set Random Roughness to a small amount. To finish the model, add a Subdivision Surface modifier and set the subdivision level to 2. Shade smooth the object and apply the modifier. And that's it, your tennis ball is now complete. Thank you for watching.